Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to upload a logo to YouTube. So first thing, go on YouTube. After that, click on your channel. Then click on your channel again. Then click on the button with the three dots on the top right side. Then click Help and Feedback. Now click on Change your profile picture. So now it's going to take you here. So click on the account that you want to change the picture for. So for me I want to change it for this one. So click Pick a new picture. Now go down a little bit and click on select a photo from your computer. Now choose it from your photo library or whatever you have it. Then select it and then set as profile photo. And wait for it to load. So now it should work. So let's go back. And here it is. So guys, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And if this video is helpful, please give it a like and see you next time.